Hey guys, welcome to the Signature Camper showroom. So this is our Sydney showroom up in Thornleigh in the northern part of Sydney. And when we're not out on the tracks or we're out exploring the beautiful Australian countryside, we're actually here. So this is our head office. This is our showroom of our head office. And we thought we'd take this opportunity to give you a quick walk around of what's in our showroom and what you can come and check out when you're coming to have a look at your new Signature Camper trailer. So come and check out over here. What we've got is our forward fold camper trailers. So this here is our Elite. Elite forward fold camper trailer. It's our smaller, it's the little brother of our forward folds. Big comfortable living area in there, so you got lots of space in there. You can go and check it out. You can come and jump on the bed and check out our awesome 140mm Dunlop posture foam mattress. You can see the size of the pantry that you can fit a big fridge in. Everything else, we can pull the kitchen out, we can open it, we can close it, we can show the whole kit and caboodle. Then we've got sitting behind it is actually our Elite X. So it's the big brother of our forward folds. Again, come and check it out. We can open, we can close it, we can try everything. You can jump on the bed, you can play with the fridge, you can turn on the kitchen, you can do what you like. It's all set up in usable fashion so you can come and actually have a crack at it and see how it all works. Sitting over here on my left is actually part of the Toy Tough range of equipment that's been released recently, which is including the Tf1 Camper trailer. This is an absolute epic piece of kit. You've got to check it out. People that have seen it love it. It has got so much electronics and so much technology in it. Full 240 volt site setup, 2000 watt inverter, full lithium setup. At the moment, it's sporting one of the Toy Tough hard shell rooftop tents, full 270 degree awning. That's this side of the camper. Wait till we get around to the other side and I'll show you what's on the other side. But before we do that, come down here where we've got one of our hybrid camper trailers. So this here is our Iridium 15. So this is a 15-foot hybrid camper. They are the absolute bee's knees. Everybody loves them at the moment and there's very good reason why. If you haven't seen our videos on YouTube, where have you been? You've got to check it out. It's stacks of room, stacks of storage, huge bed, big kitchen. It's just, yeah, you've got the bee's knees of luxury over there. Sitting behind it is actually our 13-foot. So it's, again, the little brother of the big 15-foot, and it's a fan favourite. This particular one was actually the one that got sent away on the off-road adventure show. So it's been out, it's done thousands of hard kilometres, and that's how much we love our gear and trust it, is that the one that we sent out on a TV show, exploring Cameron's Corner, is actually the one that's now sitting in the showroom. So you can come and check out a hard-worked, well-worn camper trailer. But yeah, look, its annex is set up. You can see how it's all set up and how it all works. And again, it's set up so you can come and actually use it and have a go at it. Sitting behind you now is the other side of the Tf1. So this is basically built off the Deluxe 2 platform. And, well, I mean, look at this. Coffee, anyone? Espresso coffee machine, fully built into that little unit. That's all running off the 2000 watt inverter. You've got a Road Chef 12 volt travel oven, so you can get your pies, your baked goods. You can make a pizza in that thing. So that's all set up, ready to go. You've got a ePro battery monitor built into it, lights everywhere. Look at the amount of cover you've got underneath here. Big kitchen, quick setup, easy living, lightweight. You'll absolutely love one of these if you love getting off the beaten track. And finally, well, not quite finally, sitting behind me here is actually one of our customers' campers getting ready. So it's a nice, shiny new camper trailer. It's getting ready for handover. It's got a couple of little secrets built into it, including a diesel heater. So this is actually the fuel tank for the diesel heater. So they're going to be a very, very lucky very lucky customer that's going to be getting this one very, very soon. And then down here, we've got our chill out area. So, if you want to come and sit down and have a chat with us, spend some time, have a coffee, grab a cold drink, you can come and chill out in this area here, get comfortable, check out all the stuff, spend as much time as you want here, and we can talk you through all of the options and everything that we can do. We've got all the bits and pieces to run you through all the, how everything works. So grab a cold drink. We've got toilets down the other side. And so, yeah, it's all here. Basically, we've just set it up so that we can be comfortable, you can be comfortable, you can check out everything. No stress, no hassles. You can enjoy the space as much as we do. So, guys, thanks for following me through our little walkthrough. As usual, like, subscribe, check out our other videos, and we really hope you've enjoyed this little run through.